Hello children, as we have already started with our second lesson, parallels and meridians in SST. So we will continue with the same. Till now we come to know that globe is a small model of the earth and we use a system of imaginary lines known as latitudes and longitudes. So first of all, let's study about the latitudes. Parallels of latitudes. Look at the globe. Can you see the lines that run in the east-west direction? The full circles that run from east to west are called parallels or lines of latitudes. As you can see here in the picture, with the help of this, the lines which run from east to west direction. These lines you can see, they run from east to west directions. They make a complete circle. So they are called the lines of latitudes. An imaginary line drawn midway between the North Pole and the South Pole divides the earth into two equal parts. This line is the longest line of latitude and is known as the equator. This again we can see with the help of a picture. As you can see here, this is the line between the midway. This is called equator. This is the longest line of latitude. The part of the earth from the equator to the North Pole is called the northern hemisphere, and the other half from the equator to the South Pole is called the southern hemisphere. Again, with the help of picture we can clearly come to know. So again, with the help of this picture, it is very clear. This is equator and the part above it is the northern hemisphere. This whole part is the northern hemisphere. Till the North Pole, and another half part is the southern hemisphere, which is below the equator. This is southern hemisphere, which extends till South Pole. Now let us study about the facts of parallels. There are 181 parallels or lines of latitudes. The equator is the most important of all and is also called the Great Circle. All parallels are full circles except the North Pole and the South Pole, which look like points. The length of the parallels keeps decreasing as we move away from the equator and go towards the poles. All parallels are at an equal distance from each other. Like parallel lines, these parallels or lines of latitude also do not meet each other. So lines of latitudes are 181 in number. 90 are in the northern hemisphere and 90 are in the southern hemisphere. As you can see here, this is equator. From 0 degree to 30 degree, there are 30 parallels. Then again 30 degree to 60 degree there are 30 parallels, and from 60 degree to 90 degree there are 30 parallels. So altogether in the northern hemisphere we have 90 parallels, and same is in the southern hemisphere. So 90 in the northern hemisphere and 90 in the southern hemisphere, together they become 180, and 1 is equator, so it becomes 181 parallels altogether. The equator is also called the great circle because parallels are in circles and equator is in the center. So it is called the great circle. It makes the great circle. Only the north pole and the south pole looks like points. You can see here the point here. It looks like point. This is the north pole, and same as with the south pole also. South pole also look like a point. The length of the parallels keep on decreasing as they go towards the poles, but they are at equal distance from each other, but they never meet. The lines of latitudes are labelled in degrees, written as 0 degree. The equator is at 0 degree and the other parallels are marked from 0 to 90 degree. The parallels are also marked as N or S according to their location, apart from their value. That means if they are in the northern hemisphere, it will be written N, that is 23 degree north, 66 degree north. But if it is in southern hemisphere, it will be written as 90 degree south or 66 degree south, that is S. The north pole is written as 90 degree N. The south pole is written as 90 degree S. So there are 90 parallels in the northern hemisphere and 90 parallels in the southern hemisphere. The parallels are drawn at an interval of 1 degree. Apart from these, we have other 4 important parallels. First one is Tropic of Cancer, that is 23.5 degree north. As you can see here in the picture, this is Tropic of Cancer. This is 23.5 degree north. Then this is Arctic Circle, 66 degree half north, that is N. If we talk about the southern hemisphere, there it is Tropic of Capricorn. This is 23.5 degree south. And this is Antarctic Circle, 66.5 degree south. So these are the 4 more important parallels which we have to study. Children, practice this diagram of important parallels of latitudes.